Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can end a game on Blooket. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blooket.com and press enter. Now from the website, click on the login button at the top right corner to log into your account using your credentials. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into your dashboard. Now from here, you can select for any game that you want to play from the Discover section. Or if you have a game code, click on the play button and enter the game code for the game that you want to join. Now from the Discover menu, you can choose from various games that you want to play. After selecting your game, you can start playing immediately by clicking on the solo button. You can also start hosting the game by clicking on the host button. Now once you have started playing your game, you can enjoy the game for as long as you want. Once you are done with the game though, you can simply close the browser window and click on the leave button when you are told that your changes may not be saved. And now your game will end right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to end a game on Blooket. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.